For this tutorial, I'm going to show you Safari Montage, which is a video streaming service located in your Library Resources folder on LCPS Go. To access it, click on your Library Resources and then scroll down to Safari Montage. As it loads, it should, through ClassLink, log everything in. Apparently it is not right now. There it goes. And pull up Safari Montage. This is your new dashboard. If you've used the resource in the past before, you'll notice that it looks a little bit different, and there's a couple new features that'll make it a whole lot easier to use. For this year, the Google Classroom and Google Drive will push video content to those places for you. When we migrate over to Schoology, Schoology will pull in information from Safari Montage. So any playlist that you make now will be accessible later. Additionally, there is a Chrome extension that you can add. So as you're finding videos and things that are free to use on the internet, you are able to quickly add them into your Safari Montage playlist. One of the things in addition that they've added in their search bar here is if you were to look for something such as Pi Day, it'll pull in things just from Safari Montage, but also anything that they found on the web that you would be able to stream. So I don't think it's linking right now. But anything that there exists, as well as anything that anyone else has already put into the LORD, which is the Learning Object Repository, you would be able to have access to. All purchased content can be uploaded into Safari Montage. So anything that you may have gotten from your textbook subscription, BrainPop, any of the other paid subscriptions that we have here in Loudoun County, you can certainly upload and make part of your playlist. All of the free stuff, all the open educational resources, things on YouTube, those can also be uploaded. The only hindrance is if you're trying to upload a video that is blocked at school, it will still be blocked in Safari Montage. That doesn't get around that for you. Student work, staff created work, so all of your tutorials that you've made, you can upload them all with ease. Simply by going to the dashboard, pick Easy Upload, because then once you agree, all you have to do is drag and drop. Give yourself a title, a description, if you want to tag it so that you know where to put it later. All of those are super easy to do, and it'll upload it into your LORD. Now, once you've done all of those things, you can start making a playlist. Currently, I do not have any in here, so if I were to click New Playlist, and maybe I want to make this about Pi Day for professional development, I can save this and start adding content to this playlist. Again, once I've done this, I'll be able to push this playlist out to my Google Classrooms, out to my Google Drive, and then again, once we're over in Schoology, we'll be able to pull in resources from here. So I can start adding in stuff to my brand new playlist. What's nice is these kind of work like the old Active Inspire slides did, where not only can you put in videos, but you could create a whole lesson in here. So maybe you want to make a menu choice for your students. Do this, and then after you've done this, here's your two choices. They have these new slides called slates, and the slates will have a prompt for the students. You can create your own slates. So that you're able to kind of direct them what to do next. This is not what I'm wanting. There it is. Take a 10-minute break. This is an assignment. Not quite sure. Brainstorm what some of these are. But you can certainly make your own blank slates and write on them and add them into your lessons. So take some time, play around with it, see what's there, see what you can pull in, start saving to your playlists. There it is right there. That's what's coming. So a great resource, lots of great videos. A lot of the videos are older, which is why I think they are switching over to pulling in web content. As a former biology teacher, I found that a lot of like the stuff was really old. So if I looked up life cycles, most of them were like Schlesinger videos, which I felt like were from the 80s or 90s. Not the most modern things, but now I can look and see what's on the web, and it'll start to pull in things more Nat Geo, Amoeba Sisters I've seen, so lots more options. So definitely check it out. If you have any questions, certainly ask. Thanks so much.